Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to another Ramadan vlog with me. Today I'll be showing you how to make delicious bread pockets. You will only need 3 ingredients for these bread pockets: bread slices, breadcrumbs, and egg. First, roll up your bread. Roll it up by putting 2 slices together. Then use a circle-shaped mold and press it so you can get your bread to be a circle shape. This is how it's meant to look like. I used 20 bread slices and made 20 bread pockets. Here you can see the waste, which is the sides of the bread, and you can make breadcrumbs by just grounding it in the blender. Now I'm going to coat the bread. First, I'm going to whisk some egg up, then put some corn flour in it. Now I'm going to mix it up with the hands. And then after that, I'm going to coat it in the egg, then put it in the breadcrumbs. Do it like I'm doing it in the video. If you want to keep your homemade breadcrumbs, you can bake it in the oven for 5 to 6 minutes. Keep it to cool, then put it in an airtight container and put it in the fridge. If you want to do it after grounding it and don't want to bake it, then you can put it in an airtight container, then put it in the freezer. Both of these will last for about a month. Once I did it with all of the bread slices, then I'm going to get my oil ready and heat it up so I could fry them. Now the oil is a good temperature. I know this because I have put a tiny piece of my bread pocket in the oil and it turned out good, so I started frying them. Fry for around 3 minutes on each side. We don't want the breadcrumbs to change color. We don't want to burn them, but we want to make them like golden brown. You need to repeat until all of them are golden brown. You can see some white spots on my bread pocket. Don't worry, it's not moldy. It's because I put sesame seeds so it can be more attractive. Now I have finished doing the same with all of them. Now it's time to cut it and then put all the fillings in. Normally people cut it with knife, but we cut it with scissors because when you do it with a knife, it won't come like, it's going to be hard to do it, but when you do a scissor, you could do it with one cut. For filling, you can add whatever you want. You can add fish, meat, any vegetables, but I have used the chicken this time, the same chicken that I used for my chicken wrap video, and I'll put that link in the description. Now I have finished cutting all of them. It's time to add the filling. I have added chicken, chips, sweet corns, tomatoes, and bell peppers. I have added the same sauce that I had in my wrap video, and I'll put the link in the description. Okay, first let's start with the sauce. Then I'll do the chicken. Now the sweet corn and the tomatoes and the bell peppers. Now for the chips. These look so good. I can't wait to eat them for Iftar. Now I've done all of them. Time for tips. You can make the bread pockets on the first day, then on the next day you can put the fillings. The bread pockets will not go bad. It's time for Iftar and time for du'as. May Allah accept mine and your du'as. You can see my bread pockets, my chicken donuts from my last video. This is my last Ramadan vlog from 2024, and inshallah I'll be with my Eid vlog next week. Hope you all enjoyed this video, and I'm excited for hearing your comments. Make sure to like, share and subscribe, and most of all, don't forget to smash that notification bell. Jazakallahu khairan for watching.
It's just no ordinary. same. I've made the best